Good afternoon to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, are you studying daily portion? So now I have completed till chapter 5. So now we are marking question answers for chapter 4 and 5, isn't it? Chapter 5 already I have completed. So chapter 4, 1 mark as well as 3 mark questions already I have marked. So today we are going to mark the question answers for chapter 3 and 4. Okay. So chapter 4 remaining questions you are going to mark. So first all of you take your textbooks in your hand. Students, please all of you take your textbooks in your hand, computer textbooks in your hand. Sit in a place. Take pen or pencil in your hand, please. So take either any one piece of paper or keep separate notebook for your computer science subject, okay? Because 2 mark and 3 mark questions, some questions only exact answers they are given inside your book, okay? Some questions you need to write near to the question. So there is not enough spaces there. So you should keep separate computer notebook or keep a piece of paper and you should write. Last year what you will do now? Same thing. Write it and paste it near to the question. Okay. Now all of you take your computer textbooks. Have you all taken? Yes. So take your computer textbooks. So all of you take page number 44 in your textbooks. All of you take page number 44 in your textbooks. Take it fast. So have you all taken page number 44? So in page number 44, 2 mark question, what is an algorithm? Already we have marked in page number 31. Isn't it? So second, third, 4 and 5. These questions you should write. Either you should write on a computer notebook or you should keep a piece of paper. Okay. So all of you take a computer notebook or take a paper in your hand. Please take fast. Have you all taken? Yes, start to write. First you write the second 2 mark question, define pseudocode. Write fast. Second 2 mark question, define pseudocode. Write it. First point, 3 points are there. Write fast. Pseudocode is a mix of programming language that constructs and plain English. Like this, 3 points are there. Write it fast, okay? Don't waste time. Write fast. First point completed. I will complete the first point. Pseudocode is a mix of programming language that constructs and plain English. Then write second point. Write fast. Those who are studying from guide, no problem. You study from guide, okay? So if you're studying from guide means please study from Sura guide. That's the best guide for you, okay? So some students have brought guide, no problem, study from guide. Some students have not yet brought. I think it's so. So if you are not brought your guide means no problem. I'll mark each and every questions in your textbook itself. Those questions are not available in your textbooks. So I'll made you to write. So no problem. Okay. Don't worry if I have no guide in your hand. Okay. Write it. Completed first question. Write fast. Second point, it is annotation similar to programming language. That point, algorithms expressed in pseudocode are not intended to be executed by computer but for communication among people. Have you all written? Shall we move to the next question? Write fast. Have you all written? Then write this is a second 2 mark question, okay? So if you are writing in computer notebook means put heading chapter 4 Then put the heading as 2-mark question. Then put the question number 2, write it. Okay. Then write the third 2-mark question. Okay. Third, who is algorist? Who is algorist? Write it. A person skilled in the design of algorithms are called as algorist. An algorithmic artist. The person who we are calling the person as an algorithmic artist. Okay. Write fast. Write fast. Don't waste time. You have not enough time to complete the portion. So write fast. Completed. Second question. Not second question, sorry. Third question. Who is an algorist? Completed. Person skilled in the design of algorithms are called as algorist. An algorithmic artist. Completed. Shall we move to the next question? Next question. What is sorting? Fourth question. What is sorting? So this is a very important. All the 2-mark questions are very, very important. Okay. Most of the exam you can find any one question from this chapter. Either 2-mark or 3-mark. So very, very important. Don't skip it. What is sorting? Right. Sorting is a method of arranging group of items in an ascending or descending order. Various sorting techniques are bubble sort, quick sort, selection sort, insertion sort. Write fast. Write fast. Sorting is a method of arranging group of items in an ascending or descending order. Various sorting techniques are bubble sort, quick sort, selection sort and insertion sort. So I will complete it. Completed. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Next question. So what is searching? Fifth question. Okay. Fifth 2-mark question. What is searching? First point. Searching is a process of finding the position of a value within a list. Write fast. Write fast. Write fast. First point completed. Searching is the process of finding the position of a value within a list. Second point. Search algorithm is the step-by-step procedure used to locate specific data among collection of data. Then types of searching algorithm. Linear search, binary tree search. Completed. Completed. Shall we move to the next questions? Yes, completed means all of you take page number 45. So all of you take page number 45 Now we can mark the question answer for detail. Okay. First you should write the page number there. So take all of you take page number 45. Here. Detail question. Already you have wrote this page number. I think it's so no problem. Once more you write it. Those who are not written, please write it. Okay. First question, page number 31, 32. First question, page number 31, 32. Second question, page number 36. Third question, page number 37, 38. Third question, page number 37, 38. Fourth question, page number 38, 39. Fourth question, page number 38, 39. Fifth question, page number 41, 42. Page number 41, 42. So once more I am dictating. Please listen. First question, page number 31, 32. Second question, page number 36. Third question, page number 37, 38. Fourth question, page number 38, 39. Fifth question, page number 41, 42. So I will return. Now we can mark, okay. So first question, take page number 31. Take first. Page number 31, okay. So what's the first question? Characteristics of an algorithm. So page number, all of you take page number 31. So characteristics of an algorithm. So starting from here, an algorithm should have the following characteristics. Starting from here to next page till this side, next side, independent, here programming code. So this tabular column fully you should study. Understand? Characteristics of an algorithm. Page number 31 starting from here till next page, here up to the ending of the tabular column, programming code. This is the first detailed question answer, okay. This chapter, all the detailed questions are very, very important, okay. So don't skip any of the question. Have you all marked? Then second question, now if you take page number 36. Take page number 36, linear search algorithm. Page number 36, linear search algorithm. Page number 36, mark here from linear search. Starting from here, linear search is also called sequential search. Okay. Linear search is also called sequential search. From here to till next page up to this example, output -1 not found. Understand? Page number 36 starting from that linear search heading to till the next page 37, output -1 not found. Have you all marked? Very, very important question this one. Second detailed question, okay. Then third question, binary search. Page number 37, the same page. Page number 37. Starting from here, binary search. Binary search is also called half interval. Very, very important question this one. Starting from binary search is also called half interval search. From here to till next page, this side, unsuccessful result. Till next page, 38, next side, unsuccessful result. So this question if they ask means you should write this, what do you mean by binary search? Then this is the definition of binary search. Then pseudocode. Then working principle. You should draw all these diagrams. That's important. Diagram as well as some portions they have shaded. No? See this arrow marks everything. You should draw with pencil and also shade with pencil. Okay. So in exams and all some students will draw with pen. So diagrams and all please don't draw with pens. Using pencil you should draw neatly, and also what are the portions they have shaded you should shade with pencil. Okay, don't use pens to draw diagrams or shades. Okay, very, very important question. So this is not a tough question. If you understand and study means easily you can study. So till this unsuccessful right. Okay. Then next question, explain bubbles. This is the third detailed question. Third one binary. Then fourth question, Explain bubble sort algorithm. The same page 38 starting from here. Bubble sort algorithm. Starting from here. Bubble sort algorithm. Starting from here to till next page. This. One box is there now. The 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Till this one. Okay. Page number till 39. Next page. Till next page up to this. This question also very, very important. So this question is also you should draw this diagram with pencil, shaded arrow marks, everything you need to write. And also side they have given what are the explanations or what they are done in this diagram. So you should write this also. Okay. Very, very important question. Starting from bubbles are 2 till this one. This is a fourth detail question. Okay. Then fifth detail question. Yes, we can mark. Before that, this selections are they have not mentioned in your detail, but this also very, very important question. Last year 2 times they have asked selection sort and insertion sort, but this is not a book back question. Okay, but you should study. So you made question here. Explain selection sort with example. So write it here. This is one of the detail question. Okay, explain selection sort with example. Explain selection sort with example. Have you all written? Then mark that this question answer is from here. Selections are from here to till this also diagram needed. So diagram everything you need to draw till this one below the insertion above diagram. Shown the above diagram. Okay. This is not a book back question, but this is an important question you should study. Okay. Till this one above diagram. Have you all marked? Then next question you write it here. Explain insertion sort with example. Explain insertion sort with example. This is also not a book back question, but you should study. Explain insertion sort with example. So this question is starting from here to till next page here to get not here up to here. This blue color box before the heading dynamic programming till 83. Okay. This is also a very important question. Have you all marked? Then fifth detail question. This is a book back question. Fifth detail question. Book back fifth detail question. Dynamic programming with example. Starting from here. Dynamic programming. Starting from here. Page number 41. 41. Starting from here. Dynamic programming. From here to till next page. The end. Till this Fibonacci series. So in this question they asked example. But here they have given 2 examples. No need to write 2 examples. Okay. If it possible means you study, no problem. So if it not, if you are feeling tough to study means leave the first example. Okay. First example leave it. Study the second example. But second example you should write. Till this one. Okay. Understand what I am telling? 2 examples they are given in this question. If they asked for exam means 2 examples no need to study. If it possible to study means please study. Those are feeling tough to study, leave the first example. Study the second. Understood? Till this one. So totally 5 detailed questions they have given in a book back question. But I have marked 7 detailed questions. 5 plus 2 extra questions. Okay. So all the questions are very, very important. You can expect any one of the question from this one. Okay. And also one important thing I am telling. So each and every chapter first itself I said. This points to remember you should read. At least you should read once before you are going to write the exam. Because they have asked one word questions. That means book inside one word questions from here. Maximum possibility is there. They have asked one word questions from here also. Okay. Then that's the one thing. Next thing they have given inside this box. Like each and every chapters you have seen. Inside the box like this note, do you know? So this and all very, very important. So all the 2 mark question, book inside 2 mark question they are asked from here only. Okay. So you should study. This is the very, very important 2 mark question. Okay. So page number 41, right. Define memotion or memoization. Define memoization here. This is a very, very important question. Okay. Define memotion. Have you all written? So this Box full. Memotion from here to here. Define memotion. This box full. Page number 41. This is not a book bag question, but last year also they have asked. Last year after exam they asked this question. I think it's so. So you should study. Okay. Define memotion. Have you all marked? Then take page number 35. Define algorithmic strategy. Here you write define algorithmic strategy. Here you write define algorithmic strategy. This line, sometimes they ask for 1 mark question also. Okay. Define algorithmic strategy. This 2 lines you should mark. Page number 35. Here you write define algorithmic strategy. So mark this 2 line. There is the answer for that question. Understand? Have you all written? Then same page this side. What do you mean by best algorithm? Or what's the use of best algorithm? Here write. What's the use of best algorithm? Same page, page number 41. Same page. These are not 41, 35. Okay. Same page 35. Here you write. What's the use of best algorithm? So what are the questions I have marked? Please study. Don't skip it. So if you study like this means surely you will score. Send them mark for this subject. Okay. Have you all written? What's the use of best algorithm? This box full. That answer for that question. Okay. What's the use of best algorithm? Then take page 34. 34. Here you write define algorithm analysis. Define algorithm analysis. This and all book inside questions. Define algorithm analysis. Define algorithm analysis. So mark this 3 lines. Okay. Define algorithm analysis. Have you all marked? Define algorithm analysis. Then page number 33. Page number 33. Define algorithmic solution. Define algorithmic solution. Here you write. Define algorithmic solution. Define algorithmic solution. So these 3 lines you mark. Okay. Define algorithmic solution. Have you all marked? Then this question. See, differentiate between same page. Differentiate between algorithm and program. Differentiate between algorithm and program. Sometimes they ask for 2 mark questions. Sometimes they will ask for 3 marks. Sometimes they will ask for 5 mark also. Differentiate algorithm and program. So here 4 points they have given. Okay. Differentiate algorithm and program. This tabular column full. Differentiate algorithm and program. This tabular column full. Have you all marked? Yes. So that's all about this chapter. Okay. So this and all just read it. 1 word questions they will ask. Then, so all of you take page number 29. All of you take page number, not 29, 28. Now we can mark question answer for chapter 3. Take page number 28. All of you take it, take fast. Page number 28. So I will take on. So 1 more questions I am saying the answer. Please listen carefully, then only you can able to mark the question answers. Okay. So please listen carefully. First question answer A. Scope. First question answer is option A. Scope. Okay. First question answer option A. Scope. Second question answer option B. Mapping. Second question answer option B. Mapping. Third question answer option C equal to. Third question answer option C equal to. Fourth question answer option D, namespaces. Fourth question answer option D, namespaces. Fifth question answer option A, local scope. Fifth question answer option A, local scope. Okay. Then sixth question answer option B, modular programming. Sixth question answer option B, modular programming. Seventh question answer option C, access control. Seventh question answer option C, access control. Eighth question answer option D, private members. Eighth question answer option D, private members. Ninth question answer option A, public members. Ninth question answer option A, public members. 10th question answer option B, protected members. Okay, option B, protected members. So once more I am dictating the one more question. Please listen carefully. First question answer option A, scope. Second question answer option B, mapping. Third question answer option C, equal to. Fourth question answer option D, namespaces. Fifth question answer option A, local scope. Sixth question option B, modular programming. Seventh question option C, access control. Eighth question option D, private members. Private members. Eighth question option A, public members. Sorry, ninth question option A, public members. Ninth one. 10th one option B, protected members. Okay. So have you all marked? Then, so first you write the page number for this 2-mark question. Okay. So first question, page number 21. Here you write. First question, page number 21. Second question also page number 21. Second question also page number 21. Third question also page number 21. Third question, page number 21. Fourth question, page number 21. Fourth question also page number 21. Fifth question, page number 26. Have you marked? Fifth question, page number 26. So once more I am dictating the page numbers. First question, page number 21. Second question, page number 21. Third question also page number 21. Fourth question, page number 21. Fifth question, page number 26. Okay. Fifth question, page number 26. Have you all written? Then 3 more question, write the page numbers. First question, page number 23. First question, page number 23. Second question, page number 24. Second question, page number 24. Third question, page number 24. Third question, page number 24. Fourth question, page number 26. Fourth question, page number 26. So fifth question answer you should write here, okay? So I'll display the answer. For once again I am telling the page numbers for 3 more question. First question, page number 23. Second question, page number 24. Third question, page number 24. Fourth question, page number 26. Fourth question, page number 26. So fifth question you should write the answer here. Okay. So all of you take your pencil or pen in your hand. So is it visible for you? So is it visible for you? So listen. So near to the question, see. First line, color equal to red. Why in question what they asked? Identify the scope. And also you need to write the output. So near to first line, you need to put arrow mark and write global scope. So like this you write. Near to the first line, put arrow mark and write global scope. Then here, G equal to green. Here you put arrow mark and write local scope. Okay, G equal to green. Here you put the arrow mark and write local scope. Then, print color B, G. Write enclosed to scope. Put arrow mark and write enclosed to scope. Have you all written? First color equal to red, global scope. Like this you write, okay? Then what they ask, you should write the output. Put the heading down as a output or side, inside you write output. See this 3 lines you should write as a output. First line, red, blue, green. First output line. Red, blue, green. Second, red, blue. Third, red. First line, red, blue, green. Second line, red, blue. Third line, red. Have you all written? Have you all written? Shall we move to the next question? First red, blue, green, red, blue, red. Okay? Yes. Then, so write the page number for this detailed question, okay? So write the page number for this detailed question. First question, page number 23 to 25. So page number 23 to 25. Here you write. First question, page number 23 to 25. 23 to 25. Second question, page number 25. Second question, page number 25. Third question, page number 26. Once more I am telling. First question, page number 23 to 25. Second question, page number 25. Third question, page number 26. So have you written the page numbers? Now, we can mark the answers for each and every question. First, take page number 21. Take it first. So all of it take page number 21. So I will take on page number 21. Yes, take page number 21. So what's the first 2 mark question? What is a scope? So take page number 21. In here, starting from here, first 2 mark question. Scope refers to the visibility of variable from here to till use it. Okay, starting from here, scope refers to visibility of variable starting from here to till use it. Okay, this is the first 2 mark question. Define scope. From here to scope to till use it. Here, use it. So have you all marked? First 2 mark question. So second question, why scope should be used for variables? State the reason. Same page, starting from here. Essentially they are. So in this question, mark from here, essentially. So cut this they and write variables are. Instead of this they, you need to write variables are. Understand what I am telling? So second question starting from here, essentially. So instead of they, you need to cut it and write variables are. So understand? Essentially, variables are addresses. Understand? So starting from here to next side till here, same instance. Till same instance. Understand? Starting from essentially to till here, same instance. That's the second 2 mark question. Third question, define mapping. What is mapping? Here, inside this note, the process of binding variable till variable and object. Okay, the process of binding a variable, that's the third 2 mark question. Starting from here to till variable and object. Okay, have you all marked? Then fourth question, what do you mean by namespaces? Starting from here, programming languages keeps track of all mappings from here to till objects. Here, till objects. Fourth 2 mark question, starting from here, programming language keep track of from here to till objects. Okay. Then Fifth 2-mark question. Take page number 26. Take page number 26. So in page number 26, so in question they have asked for private and protected access members. Okay. So private members. Page number 26. Starting from here. Have you all seen private member? The cursor points it. So private member starting from here to till here within the class. This is the first point. Okay. Private members. Then protected members. Next paragraph. Not this paragraph. Next paragraph. Protected members starting from there to till access to it here. Till access to it. Understand? So protected members starting from here to till access to it. First point here. Private members starting from here to within the class. So have you all marked? So 2-mark questions over. Then 3-mark question. Take page number 23. So take page number 23. So before taking page number 23, in 22, page number 22, you write one question. This is very, very important question. Last time also they have asked 2 or 3 times, but this is not a book back question, okay? So define LEGB rule. Here, 22, right? Define LEGB rule. Okay? So define LEGB rule. Here you write, define LEGB rule. This is not a book back question. 3-mark question, okay? 2-mark if they ask means also you should write this one. Starting from here, the LEGB rule is used to decide from here to, then this tabular column you should draw, then this diagram, till this diagram. Okay. So if they ask for 3-mark questions, what are the things you need to write? Definition, LEGB rule, then this tabular column, then this diagram. Okay. This is not a book back 3-mark question, but you should write. Understand? Till this diagram. Yes, now we are going to mark book back questions. First 3-mark question, page number 23. Define local scope. Here all the headings you are studying in 3-mark itself. Very, very important 5-mark question this one. So if you are studying thorough in 3-mark question itself means don't worry about 5 marks. Because already you have studied thorough, no? So please study. So define local scope starting from here. Local scope refers to variable starting from here to. Then diagram. So like this they ask means 3-mark or 5-mark. You should put the heading. Then you should draw the diagram like this. Okay. Like tabular column you should draw split into 3. First you need to write the program. Very, very important this one. You should make differentiate with these shapes. Okay. With rectangle corner shape. The rectangle shapes you should differentiate like this line with the lines. Okay. So like this you draw. So local scope starting from here to local scope here to till here, last local scope, the explanation, okay? That's the first 3-mark question. Have you all marked? Then second 2-mark question, global scope. Same, starting from here, a variable which is declared outside. Next page, okay? Page number 24. Global scope, starting from here to till here, global scope, before the enclosed scope. Here, each and every question, the diagrams you should draw. Okay, this like you need to write. So while you are drawing diagrams, please use scale and pencil to draw. With free hand, don't draw it, okay? If you draw with free hand means surely they will cut the diagram and also they will reduce the mark, okay? With pencil and scale you should draw, okay? With neat. So that question, global scope till here. Have you all marked? Then third question, enclosed scope. Starting from here. All programming language. So each and everything diagram is must, okay? Starting from here to till next page 25 up to this dispaf. Up to this dispaf, okay? Up to this dispaf. Then fourth question, why access control is required? Page number 26. Page number 26, access control. So this first paragraph full. Till modifiers, okay? Till modifier. Access control is a security technique. Page number 26. Starting from here, access control is a security technique. Starting from here to till modifiers. Okay? Have you all marked? Have you all marked? Then 3-mark question over. Now we can mark 5-mark questions, okay? Fifth question already you have wrote near your questions itself. First 5 mark question, very very important, LEGB rule. Page number 23. Page number 23. So page number 23. Sorry, not page number 23, 22. Okay. Page number 22. So page number 22 starting from LEGB rule. Okay. Starting from here, the LEGB rule is used to decide from here to till last all the types of scope till page number 25 till this one built-in scope. Okay. So here also LEGB rule, definition, tabular column, diagram must. Then types of scope, all the headings, explanation, diagrams must. Okay. Because already these things are you are studied in 3 mark question. So is it easy for you? Till this one. Very 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 important question. Last time 2 or 3 times they asked this one. Okay. So up to this very very important question. Next. Write any 5 characteristics of module. Page number 25. Same page. This. From here. The following are the desirable characteristics. From here to till. 5 points. Okay. Starting from here. The characteristics of starting from here to till 5. This one. Have you all marked? Then third question. 5 benefits of using modular program. Page number 26. From here to till last. So here lot of points they are given. So according to your wish, which point is easy for you to study? So among that 5 or 6 points you memorize and write. Okay. So you should mark from here to here. From here you will select and study any 6 points according to per your wish. Okay. So we have marked the question answer for. So this chapter also completed. So very very easy this chapter and also very very important also. Okay. And also you just read it this one. Okay. So an example mapping they have given no 21. Sometimes they will ask this and following example is first from here 21 to before the LEGB rule. Okay. Sometimes they will give the diagram and ask you to explain. This one also you should study. So today what are the portions I have marked? Chapter 4 and chapter 3. So 3, 4 and 5. 3 chapters I have completed. So all the portions also up to 5 also I have completed. So question answers also I have marked up to 3, 4 and 5. So next class I will mark question answer for chapter 1 and 2. So your exam portion for next week exam portion up to chapter 5. So don't waste time. Please study. What are the important questions I said? Please study. Don't study important questions alone. Study all the questions. Don't waste time. Okay. So thank you students. Next we can see you in the next class. Okay. Thank you.